Now, as you can see here, are cubes with the same size, but they made of different materials. This one made of wood, copper, aluminium, brass, and iron. Okay, and I will show you that even if they have the same size, they may have different mass. Okay, let's prove it by using this electrical scale. Okay, now first of all, you can just pick one of the cube, and then once again, in order to get the density, you should to have both the volume and the mass. So you can measure the volume first or the mass first. It's just up to you. And because this is a cube, it's gonna be easier for you to find its volume by measure the length of its side. Let's use a ruler to get the length of the side. Now, as you can see here, I hope that it's clear enough. It's around 2 centimeters. Okay, it's around 2 for this one. This side is also about 2 centimeters, and also the height. It must be the same because it's a cube. Okay, so by using the formula of volume of cube, which is side by side by side, you can get the volume of this cube. Okay, and you can use the length for all of this cube. So we can assume that they have the same volume. Now, how about the mass? Let's prove it by using the scale. So before you start, please make sure that you start from 0. Okay, it's gonna be different if you started from another number. So let's put this cube first. Okay, as you can see there, it's around 4 grams. Okay, so the mass of this wood is about 4 grams. Let's take the other cube, this one, the one with copper. Put it on the scale. Okay, yes. Now it's around 67 grams. Okay, so this one is 67 grams. And then the next one is the silver cube. It's around 22 grams. Okay, it's around 22 grams, this one. And this one, the one with brass, it is around 72 grams. Okay, and the last one, it's around 60 grams. Okay, it's around 60 grams. Guys, there is a tip for you. In order to use this scale, you should to put it on a solid base, and make sure that it starts from 0 to prevent the error of the measurement. Okay, now we have the mass of all of these cubes, and we can get its volume by calculating using the formula of volume. So you can get the density of each of these cubes now. Okay, by using that data, you can calculate it on your notebook, and then you can arrange these cubes in order based on their density. Okay, from the lowest one to the highest one, or from the highest one to the lowest one, it's okay. Now everyone, here is another tip of measuring the length of a tiny object. Okay, so actually you can use a ruler. This is the common one, but if that is possible, and usually we use it in lab, we will use vernier caliper. Okay, this one, to measure the length. why do we use this one? Because it will give you an accurate result. Okay, because it will give you a result with two decimal numbers. Okay, so it must be more accurate than a ruler. Okay, then how to use it? Just open the jaw first. Open the jaw, and then put your object inside. If there is a lock there, you need to lock it first, and then you can just read the main scale and the vernier scale. Okay, this one. And for this case, the length of this, the side of this cube is around 1.99. Yes, that is 1.99. So it almost 2 centimeters. Okay, so if I use this one, the ruler, I got 2 centimeters. But by using this, I got 1.99. Okay, so it's slightly different, and as you can, as we know that this one is more accurate than this to measure a tiny object. Okay, that is a tip of using the lab apparatus, especially to get the length.